Not again. My suspicion was true. Gold prices are going up this February and it's really happening. But I'm so glad I was able to buy some gold jewelry before the price increase. The price jump is really surprising, especially for those of us who monitor it closely. It really skyrocketed. But if you want to see what I bought, stick with me until the end of this video, and I will also share some tips on how to buy safely for you to have a better idea. Hello everyone! I have some news regarding gold and it's a mix of both good and bad. Let's start with the not so great news. The price of gold has gone up again recently. Just to give you an idea, last month the regular price for 18 karat gold jewelry was around 4,300 pesos per gram. But as of February 9th or 10th, it has increased to about 4,430 pesos. These are only for the regular designs because you know, special, very special, and very, very special are priced higher. Japan's 18K gold is now priced at 4,850 pesos compared to 4,700 pesos just a month ago. Same goes for Chinese or Hong Kong gold. It also has increased a lot. So if you managed to buy some gold before the price hike, like I did, congratulations! Your jewelry has already gained value. Now, for the positive side, the rise in gold prices means that old pieces in your collection have also increased in worth. Interestingly, I had a hunch about this price increase. I was really lucky to have purchased a few pieces just a day before the price went up. And I'm excited to show them to you in this video. If you're one of those who hesitated to buy, you've unfortunately been caught by this price surge once again. Still, my advice is, if you have the means, it's a good idea to make your purchase as soon as possible. From what I am observing, prices seem to climb almost weekly. But don't worry, you shouldn't feel too bad about missing the opportunity because investing in gold is widely considered one of the safest and most convenient ways to invest your money. A little tip I'd like to share is take good care of your jewelry. Proper maintenance will ensure that their value increases over time. You can still sell old or damaged pieces for a reasonable price since gold prices are continuously rising, but the amount you will receive will be significantly higher if your jewelry is in good condition. No dents, no signs of repair, and well maintained. Otherwise, scrap gold buyers may offer you less. So now, let me introduce to you some of the items I purchased. They are mostly simple yet classic designs, perfect for everyday wear. I'll display the weight of each piece on the screen so that you have a reference in case you're interested in similar designs. These dome hoop earrings are in 18 karat yellow gold in the large size. I've been wanting to have a pair ever since, but I couldn't find the perfect weight for me. I love hoop earrings, and this design is unique and interesting to me. I wanted one that is not too heavy because I already have issues with the bottom part of my earlobes. They've become stretched, so I avoid wearing heavy earrings. The heavy ones I wear are all studs with big backings, so it's okay. But when it comes to hoops, there's no support, so I make sure to choose lightweight only. The weight is 6.03 grams. They're bold statement earrings, but easy to style. Love them. Then this one, another earrings I got is this small hardware clip type in 18 karat yellow gold. It only weighs 4.04 grams, so I love it. It's cute, minimalist, and perfect for everyday wear. The design is inspired by Tiffany. I intentionally bought this to try it out for a longer period and to see if I really like it. If that happens, I will definitely buy the original. The last earrings are these cute butterfly studs in 18 karat yellow gold. Very dainty and light. It weighs 2.5 grams only. This is the kind of earrings I want to wear daily at home. I'm drawn to butterfly designs in jewelry, which is why I picked this. I also have butterfly earrings and a pendant in my collection. They're really beautiful for summer and for layering. This one is a necklace, a rope chain with a huge heart pendant. Actually, they're sold separately. You can either get the chain or just the pendant. I didn't have a rope chain in my collection, so I decided to buy one. Both are, of course, in 18 karat yellow gold. The chain weighs 9 grams, which is just right for my needs. My tip for those who are new to collecting gold jewelry is not to buy too many necklaces yet. Choose one or a couple of versatile chains and then get more pendants that you can switch out for different looks. The trick will make it look like you have many necklaces. This heart pendant has a decent weight. It's 7 grams. It looks great on thick or long chains. And I also bought it for my other chains. I think these two pieces look good together as well. Looks like a Daya cat. I'm not sure, but it's really shiny and beautiful. This one is a dainty lariat adjustable chain with 2 clover-like drop pendants. I forgot the description. It can be adjusted to 20 inches. Great for layering as well. It's 18K yellow gold, weighing 5 grams only. It's so cute and I love it. Just wish they had a thicker and heavier version. But I'm gonna try to find one next time. The last piece I got is this 18 karat ball pendant in yellow gold. I also love ball pendants. Gold ball pendants are popular because of their simplicity and versatility. They have timeless appeal, elegant yet subtle. They never really go out of style. The size is big and it weighs 4.1 grams. It's heavy and I like to use it on thicker chains. It can be worn solo or layered. So those are the items I picked up before the price increase. I was able to save a good amount, right? Another tip I want to share is to be cautious about purchasing gold through live selling platforms. Those usually have higher prices per gram. Sellers in live selling need to protect their wholesalers and resellers, If they offered the same prices as jewelry shops, then there would be no incentives for resellers to work with them. Additionally, many of these sellers cater to international buyers with bulk orders, which is why their prices can be inflated during live selling events. I would still recommend you go directly to the legit jewelry stores for you to see, inspect, and try on the pieces you like. The prices are cheaper as well. But if you have no access other than shopping online, one of my most important tips is to choose cash on delivery or COD as your payment method. There have been numerous scams related to live selling and you want to protect your savings. I also recommend picking up your items from the courier service branch that delivered them and paying in cash at that location. Make sure to open the package and record a video in front of the courier as proof of the item's condition before handing over your payment. I've tried this before and I prefer it over having the courier deliver it to my house. Because at home, you can't open the package before paying. Unlike when you pick it up at the branch, you can open it while recording a video. I hope you enjoyed this video and picked up a few useful pointers. Please feel free to comment below about which piece of jewelry you like the most from what I showcased. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'm passionate about luxury fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and I'd love to share more with you. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye!